because it's folks that we do this, and we're a nonprofit, you know, as many folks know. And our intention, like you hear Consult Lemonade. What is Consult Lemonade? Consult Lemonade is the concept of like when life hands you lemons, we want to help you make lemonade. We want to help you turn a sour situation, you know, a job loss, a life-altering event, not having a degree, having too many degrees, taking that lemon, you know, coming from the roughest neighborhood, being counted out, whatever it is, whatever your lemon is, it's our mission to help people turn that into lemonade. And we believe that environments like the Tech Summit is the very place where all of that starts. You know, it's the on-ramp for people to get exposure to our entire ecosystem, to get the training and the coaching and the job connections and, you know, all of the good stuff that comes with Consult Lemonade starts at the Tech Summit.
Yes.
So for you to share that story and have it come full circle, I mean, that's just powerful. So let's pivot a little bit, because I love the growth and the progress. You know, just like you've been with us in the organization for quite some time, where you were saying our social media, does it still suck?
No, it does not.
I'm just making sure. I'm just making, especially because you're still on that team. So I just want to clarify that if it still sucks.
We got it. No, it does not still suck.
I'm just saying, if it did, then
it would be on my fault and my team's fault.
Exactly. Just want to put that out there, because we believe in ownership here at Consult Lemonade. So you've seen the growth. The beauty of you seeing our growth is us being able to see your growth. And here you are, 2 years at Amazon Web Services, about to be 3 years?
No, just 2.
Just 2, okay. Or technically you're going into your 3rd year, because it's the 2 years. Yeah. And 2 promotions. But you're back in school.
Yeah.
Talk about that a little bit.
So my main choice to go back into school was mainly when I first decided that when I was in my current position right now, that from here I needed a bit more knowledge than what I was being taught at the data center. Mainly, I wanted to expand my knowledge on data and behind the scenes and how the data works and interacts with the computers. So I wanted to take school for that, but mainly I wanted to get certifications, because my dad preaches that certifications are a must. So that was my main objective, to get certifications and to follow my father's footsteps, because he's kind of making the roadmap for me. I won't be all the way up to his level. That's what's gonna happen. Insane.
You never know.
That's true. But I don't think I could be all the way up at his level.
You never know.
That's true.
Yeah, and I feel like he would push you. I know
he would.
I know we gonna push you.
Y'all would too.
To be with everything that you could be. So you're back in school studying what?
I'm studying data analytics.
Awesome. That's really healthy. Nya's an analyzer, so I can just imagine how them eyes are twitching, going back and forth. That's what I imagine. What is data analytics for someone who doesn't know?
Data analytics is the study and the understanding of data and how it flows and works through the different networks, and how it can be used to help in different places like marketing, medical science, or even production, camera work. I remember sitting in a movie theater and watching the movie credits roll by, and my dad just points to hey, look, data analyst. I'm there's a data analyst in a movie? I never thought that could be a so connection. Cool. It is cool. I was just that's crazy.
It's so cool.
So that was kind of the main pivot that I want to do with data.
If you enjoyed that last clip, check out these videos. Hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell for notifications. We don't want you to miss a beat.